guys, how's it going on? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. My name is Taha and this is my second video blog. And hope you all are doing well and stay safe, of course, and take care of yourself and your family. So, before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go hit the beautiful red button down there, the subscribe button. And if you enjoy my, my stuff, all these things that I'm actually creating for you, I appreciate any kind of, support by sharing my video. Just, share my video to any kind of social media if you like, so that I can, actually increase my stuff. And yeah, so today's video is about a problem that most of beginners in the IT industry are gonna face, especially when they're going to learn a new programming language. And this thing is happening in the most cases when the beginner is going to learn a technology, a programming language using some kind of online courses, which is actually common these days. I mean, some courses on Udemy, Udacity, edX, all those stuff. Um, they are very good, they're great, but there's a problem that you may face if you are using uh, these courses. So um, the story begins in actually some days ago when I received a call from one of my old friends who is a DBA, aka database admin, and he's been a DBA in a company, in a tech company for about 9-10 years, which is a lot of time. So he is almost experienced in his area of job, database thing, and he has decided to move to another country. And since Python programming is actually trending in some developed countries like United States, Canada, all these countries, so Python is trending, especially in some kind of thing like data science, machine learning, AI, all these stuff which are new a little bit. And so Python is trending, and he decided to learn Python. And the problem is he bought a course from Udemy. He paid a course from Udemy. I think the course was about $30, not that high price. And as he was, telling me about the course is actually good, very good. It covers almost all the stuff. But the problem is, let me tell you. Yeah. So the problem that my friend is actually facing is, um, he told me that I am actually learning all the basic things such as arrays, integers, all these basic concepts of a new programming language, and everything is fine, but I can't create a real world application, real world project using these basic things that I'm learning, using this course. And when I asked him that, does the course contain any kind of, practice part in the course, some kind of milestone project, any kind of thing that can help you, to actually bring your skills, bring the whatever you learn from the course to the action. And he told me, yeah, there are some kind of practice, but there are almost, mathematical problems, some Fibonacci thing, everything which is not that real world. Everything is actually basic. Most of them are mathematics problems. So there's no kind of real world problem solving thing in that course. So the point is, I mean, I'm actually creating this video for my friend and any other beginner who is actually in the beginning path of learning a new programming language. So the point is, if you're going to learn a new programming language and you are actually gaining knowledge basic things, and you want to create a real world project with the things that you are learning in the course, you know, with those basic things is, let me, make an example for you. Learning basic concepts such as integers, list, classes, all these basic things is like you are going to learn what a metal is, right? You just go study some materials, metals, wood, things, and all those stuff. And when you want to create a real world project, is like you say that I know what metal is and I want to create the body of a car, right? The body of a car is made of metal, but and of course you know what metal is, but you don't know the process of transferring those metals into a body of a car. That's the point. And it's not possible just by knowing the basics to create a real world project. And actually, the solution to this problem is all about going and searching and reading good codes. All right. So if you're in the same position, I mean the position that my friend is, and if you're at the beginning path of learning a programming language and you've learned the basic concepts and you want to create a project, a real world application project, I would highly recommend to go to github.com and study the source code of other programs made by other people. This study of code will actually help you to achieve the mindset of a real world project, a real world programmer, right? And you will find out the key concepts of the keys behind a real world project. And this is the key point, because by just knowing the basic concepts and by just solving some basic mathematical problems, you can't build a real world project, and of course you can't apply for a job, because when you're going to a company and you want to get hired, and so the CEO of that company is definitely looking for someone who is professional with the real world problems, not just mathematical bullshit. Right? So keep that in mind. Go and study source codes. That's the whole thing. That's the main solution to get out of that problem and to keep your process organized and everything fine, right? So yeah, this was all the thing, and hope you like this video. And if you have any kind of idea, or if you want to ask any question or anything that you would like to tell me, say to me, you can just comment your idea or your thoughts down below, or you can just send me an email. I check my email daily, so there's no problem with that. And of course, if you want to support my channel, just go hit the subscribe button and share my video. And yup, stay safe. Thank you.